How to log into Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now on the search box, you want to search for facebook.com and press enter. On this page, if you do not have an account, click on Create New Account option. Then on this box, you will have to enter some of your information. Start by entering your first name, then enter your last name. Now enter either your mobile number or your email address. After that, you want to re-enter your mobile number or email address. Once that is done, you need to create a password. Make sure you create a strong one. Now enter your date of birth, then select your gender. Now click on the sign up option. Once your account has been created on this login portal, enter your mobile number or your email ID. Then enter your password. After that, click on the login option. Now, in case you have forgotten your password, you have the option to click on Forgot Password in order to retrieve it. You simply want to enter your email address, then click on the search option. Once your account has been found, you want to click on the Continue option and then follow the on-screen prompt to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.